In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who accepted your meeting invites in Outlook. If you've ever wondered whether your guests are coming, Outlook makes it simple to check responses right from the meeting details, so you can plan confidently. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is open, switch to your calendar by selecting the calendar icon in the navigation pane. This changes your view from email to your schedule where all your events and meetings live, so you can quickly find the one you are interested in. Next, locate the specific meeting you sent. This needs to be a meeting you organized, not just one you were invited to. Because only organizers can see tracking. Double-click the meeting to open it in its own window. You should now be looking at the full meeting details, including the subject, time, and attendees. At the top of this window, look for the ribbon. The toolbar with buttons and tabs. Find and select tracking. Depending on your layout and version, you might see it directly in the ribbon or under a meeting tab. But it will be labeled tracking. When you click tracking, Outlook displays the attendee list along with everyone's response status. You'll see accepted for those who confirmed, tentative for those who aren't fully committed, declined for those who can't attend, and none for people who haven't responded yet, or whose response hasn't reached your mailbox. If someone forwarded the invite, you may also see additional names, depending on your organization's settings. For meetings sent to a distribution list or a shared alias, Outlook may display the list as a single entry rather than each individual, depending on how your organization handles tracking. Resource rooms and equipment often auto-accept or decline based on availability, and their decisions will appear here too. Keep in mind that tracking updates as responses arrive, so if a guest replies later, the status you see here will change automatically. If you are checking right after sending the invite, it's normal to see many entries marked none. Also note that for recurring meetings, the tracking reflects responses to the series unless attendees responded to a specific occurrence. That's it. Open Outlook, go to Calendar. Open your meeting, click Tracking, and review the statuses. This quick check is an easy way to confirm attendance before you finalize agendas, catering, or room setups. If you are not seeing the tracking button, make sure you opened a meeting that you organized rather than an appointment or someone else's invite. And confirm you are viewing it in the dedicated meeting window, not just in the preview pane. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.